Folks, good afternoon. My name is Vik Khosla. I'm Chief Operating Officer at Unique Business Systems. And joining me at our booth here at InfoComm 2026 is Pooja Sharma. She's our Director of Professional Services, and Sean Pascoe, Senior Product Manager for R2 and overall R2 Guru. We are delighted to be back at InfoComm 2026. Great opportunity to meet tons of old friends and, of course, make new ones. We provide software for audio-visual equipment management, where we help customers globally optimize financial and physical utilization of their rental equipment. This year, we are focusing on something called artificial intelligence, which you may or may not have heard of. And working very closely with our global customer base, we have introducing two new benefits. The first one is Auto Build AI, where any customer input document will be converted into an order in the software within seconds, helping you with an artificial intelligence agent that will match the customer request with equipment that is part of your inventory and availability to all within seconds. The second is called Auto Source AI, which of course will again use AI knowledge to look at the history of any given asset, how many times you have sub-rented it, how many times you have transferred it, what the shortage frequency has been in the past, what the availability requirement is for the future, and compute all of that in seconds and tell you what the best way to optimize your own equipment is. So two AI agents working in the backdrop for you continuously, helping save time, and of course time saved is money earned. So that's step one in our AI world.